So how do you upload files into a folder on Google Drive on iPhone? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you might have like few more options. First of all, if you're like uploading photos on videos, you can go directly to that application, or you might be even like a different file type. But the first approach is to locate the file first. Tap on share and choose the Google Drive from the available sharing apps. And when you do this, it doesn't matter if we're talking about photos, videos, or anything else, you will be able to see like this, a page, like a window appears with the Google Drive where you get to pick the account specifically. So if you are signed in with more Google accounts, you'll be able to upload it to those and also select it to the folder, right? So by default, it's going to go to the main folder, which is called My Drive, but you can also specifically pick like a folder in here, or you also get to tap on the plus button and create a brand new one in case you want to just start a new folder for your files, right? So that's how you get to select the folder where you upload it. On the other hand, the next approach is by going to the Drive app directly, and then you just locate the place where you want to put it, right? So you just browse your files as usual, open up a folder, and once you are inside of that folder, you'll press the plus button and then decide to upload the files, right? So it might be, again, photos, videos, whatever, but you do it specifically once you are inside of that folder. And that's how you can move it around and decide where specifically you want to do this, right? So that's how it works. If that's the thing that you had in mind, hopefully I may helped you out with it. If you had some other things which you wanted to get answered, let me know about that below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about that as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.